There are numerous ways to make money online from the comfort of your home, catering to various skills and interests. Here are some popular methods. 1. Freelancing. Offer your skills on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Whether you're a writer, designer, developer, or marketer, you can find clients seeking your expertise. 2. Online surveys and market research. Participate in online surveys through websites like Swagbix, InboxDollars, or Survey Junkie. These platforms reward you for sharing your opinions and taking part in market research. 3. Content creation. If you're into blogging, or podcasting, create engaging content on platforms like YouTube, WordPress, or Medium. Once you build an audience, you can monetize through ads, sponsorships, or affiliate marketing. 4. E-commerce. Start an online store on platforms like Shopify or Etsy to sell handmade crafts, vintage items, or niche products. Dropshipping is another option where you sell products without holding inventory. 5. Online tutoring. Share your knowledge by becoming an online tutor or teaching on platforms like VIPKid, Chegg Tutors, or Udemy. 6. Remote work. Look for remote job opportunities on job boards like remote.co, We Work Remotely, or FlexJobs. 7. Affiliate marketing. Promote products or services through affiliate programs, earning a commission for each sale or lead generated through your referral links. 8. Stock trading. Invest in stocks, cryptocurrencies, or other assets through online trading platforms. Be sure to educate yourself and approach this method cautiously. 9. Online consulting. Offer consulting services in your area of expertise, such as business, finance, or health, using video conferencing tools. 10. Sell digital products. Create and sell digital products like e-books, online courses, or stock photos on platforms like Gumroad or Teachable. Remember, success may not be immediate, and it often requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. Choose the method that aligns with your skills and interests, and be cautious of scams or get-rich-quick schemes that promise unrealistic returns. Building a sustainable online income typically takes time and effort.